Welcome to our BGC Budget Family Travel Adventure. Tara, I'll show you our top 15 must-visit places in BGC Walking Tour, our April 25th Big BGC Sales Shopping, and the travel guide. Welcome to Christine Travels. If you're new to my channel, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell for more family budget travel adventures. Let's start with how to get there. Head over to EDSA Ayala Station Terminal and ride a bus from there. Take note, BGC buses are now 100% cashless, so you can use Beep Card or your MasterCard prepaid debit or credit card and GCash. Just tap it and you're ready to go.
Here, Bebe.
Our first stop, Market Market.
Is it sale? Oo nga, sale na. Oh. Wow.
And if you're hungry, aside from the restaurants, you can get snacks from here. This is the most toddlers' favorite spots here, and it's absolutely free.
Oh.
Second stop, BONIFACIO High Street for our target brand for shopping.
May swimsuit. Kailangan nakita ang 26. May 27 na ito.
Third stop, Terra 28 Park for a safe and open space for a mixed street games and interactive art. Fourth stop, BONIFACIO South Street. Then for the fifth stop, let's go to the Courtyard by night. Our sixth stop is the Oval. For our seventh, head over here on the right for Kasalikasan Garden. For eighth stop, Mind Museum.
Dito.
For our ninth stop, Fifth Avenue. For our 10th stop, BONIFACIO High Street.
Your leg is ouch.
For 11th stop, don't miss to visit the amazing Gentle Monster.
Hello. Here. What is it? What is it? Ay, ano ba yan? Iba na.
Central Square Mall for 12th stop. For 13th, SM Aura. 14th stop, if raining, our best go-to is Active Fun. And last but not the least, the 15th stop is Venice Grand Canal Mall in McKinley Hill.
Cute. Kayo. Hello. High five daw, high five. High five. Ay, ayun o. Going to the tunnel. What's that? Diyan maganda mag-ano. High five daw. High five. Say hi, Kai Kai. Hi, Kai.
That's a wrap. Next week, we're exploring a pop-up market and a nature in the city where kids enjoy. If this video helped you plan your BGC trip, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more future family travel adventures.